Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will do an unboxing of these LED fog bulbs from CNSUNNYLIGHT, procured from AliExpress at a cost of approximately $10 inclusive of shipping. The price keeps fluctuating regularly. I will install these fog bulbs on my Suzuki Wagon R, installation of which I will cover after the unboxing later in this video. These bulbs are HA type and color emitted is white. Inside the box you have all this packing material. And you have these two LED bulbs. These are HA type again and light emitted is white. Light sources from 3030 chip LEDs. 9 SMDs per bulb. The housing is made from aluminum. I've opened the bonnet of this Suzuki Wagon R, and there are two ways by which you can access the fog bulbs. One way is via the engine area, which can be a bit difficult, and the other way is by opening the two clips at the bottom of the bumper and opening the fender cover. This is the most easiest and safest way. We need to remove the two clips securing the fender cover located at the bottom of the bumper to access the bulbs, whether you just wanna replace the bulb or upgrade to LEDs. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the hole and remove the clips by twisting the driver. Disconnect the coupler by pushing the lock release. Turn the bulb holder counterclockwise and remove it. LED and OEM bulb. To install the bulb, turn it clockwise. Push back the coupler. Comparison of the lights of the two bulbs, LED bulb on the left and OEM bulb on the right. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Hope you liked the video. Keep watching, subscribe, hit the bell icon. More videos coming up on the Wagon R. And ride safe, guys.